Hey everybody, so I got my very last package. It came all the way from China. So this was the very last one I had ordered. It's definitely smaller than I thought. This is the docking station I decided on getting. Now, it isn't actually a charger. I use my own chargers for it, but I do like the fact that I have somewhere I can dock them at, so it's okay, it works. It's a lot smaller than I thought, though. Let's open it, if I can figure it out.
Been having issues with a lot of those boxes.
Uh-huh. Oh, I was wrong. It came with an iPhone charger.
Oh, sweet.
I can't read Chinese, so I have a problem again. Oh, good thing there's pictures. Okay, so it actually came with the iPhone dock station, the iPhone charger, and then I just need to use my Apple Watch charger. Oh my gosh, this is super cool. Okay, do not need this somewhere. So how does this go? Oh, it goes like this.
I want those kind of stuff.
I gotta put my own charger through here though. It just kind of goes through like the Apple Watch has like the flat magnetic charger, just like magnetic charges, and then the cord just runs down through here and then out the back, and then I can plug it in that way. See, it's kind of like this one, how this one runs through the bottom, and then I plug it in. That's awesome. I'm actually very excited. This is everything that I wanted, and this was only like $13.
It's not bad.
No, considering I got that iPhone, the iPhone was, well, it was marked down, but it was because it was refurbished.
Didn't you find a wireless one too?
What?
That like plugs into the docking station and then you just set your watch on there?
Okay, that's what this is gonna do, because I have to put the Apple Watch charger on the back of here. It just snaps in the back of here, and I run the cord through. You weren't paying attention. See, you have like the shortest attention span. I'm done. You'll see. You'll see, because I'm not going to keep explaining it because you're not even paying attention. If you're not looking at me, then I know you're not paying attention. So yeah, that's this one. Nice investment. It came with an iPhone charger, which I'm actually surprised about. So, oh, and then this lifts out too somehow. I don't want to break it. Shit. I don't want to break it. I don't want to break it, but here I'm breaking it. Alright.